I finally got the Nintendo Switch 2, and I can't wait to unbox it to see what it's all about. But first thing first, I want to give a shout out to the Targets in Danville, Virginia. They were the only store that had it in stock, so I had to do a total of 100 miles to go to the store and back home just to get this device. So again, shout out to Targets in Danville, Virginia. So let me go ahead and unbox this thing right here. I can't wait to set it up and see what it's all about. And they only had the base edition. They didn't have the Mario Kart bundle, but that's fine because I didn't have much money anyway. So as we already know, it comes with Joy Cons, and these are bigger than the previous generation, and they feel pretty good. I like the way they feel in the hand already. You can see this one got the home button and the C button, and this Joy-Con right here, just regular stuff right here. All right, so let's just get this Nintendo Switch out the box. Right here, I'm doing everything one-handed. And this is what it looks like in the plastic still. It does not have any staple on it like the one with the guy in New York where he's got a staple on it. It looks pretty good. The Nintendo Switch 2. So let's see what else is inside this box. Let me put this to the side. I guess there's some paperwork inside here and some wires, whatever it is. I don't know. I don't even care at this point. And this is got to be the grip. I think this is a grip. Yep, that's a grip. And this is a what's this? Oh, I like this. I like this better than the previous generation. This is a power brick, and it comes to the USB Type C plug-in right here. I like this. The other one had the cord stuck to it, which kind of awkward when they try to move it around. I like this better, and it feels heavy. I like that. I like the weight of the brick. And this right here has got to be the USB Type C cord that you're going to connect to the brick and to connect it to the Nintendo Switch to charge it. And this is the new dock, which I believe, let me see, let me take it out the casing. Oh yeah, this feels a little bit, no, this is look like it's the same size like the dock, but the difference is this can go to 4K at 30 or 60 FPS, I think. All right, so the back of it right here, you got the same little ports like the original Switch. You only got 3 ports: the LAN, HDMI out, and the AC adapter. It would have been nice if we had 2 HDMI, but it is what it is. And it still got that cheap plastic feel, but the snap-on is nice. Got the nice the stoppers right here, keep it from moving. And I believe that's the vents to keep it cool. Same thing like the original one, got the thing inside to charge it. And I like the feel, I like the look of it, but it feels kind of cheap. I don't like the feel of it. It feels cheap. And something that costs $500, at least let it feel premium at least. But let me get all this out the way. And all right, let's get the Nintendo Switch 2 out of the plastic. Yeah, look at it. Got smudges all over it already, but this is a nice. I think it's nice. It feels definitely bigger. I like it. It's like 7.9 inches, and it's dirty already, but I like the way it looks. Let me see the kickstand. Let me see how it feels. Okay. The kickstand feels cheap. It feels as if you put some pressure on it, it will snap. That's not I don't feel confident with that device that costs over $450. This kickstand feels cheap. I think the Nintendo Switch OLED kickstand is a little bit better. And underneath it, you see right here, you got where you're gonna plug in the micro SD Express card. That's what you need. And you got USB Type C on the bottom, USB Type C on the top. Somewhere, oh, it's right here. There it is. And these are the vents to blow out all the hot air. You got the volume rockers right here, the power button, and right here, this is where you're gonna put in the game. So let's put all of that aside. It's all right. Let's put on these Joy-Cons right here. I just want to hear the snap for the first time. Let me see. Go ahead. Let me see. Let's see how this bad boy work. Nice. And the hole is very firm. That's pretty good. I'm impressed with the grip of the magnets. Put the other Joy-Con on. Go ahead and do this. I like the snap. And I'll tell you, it's very, very slim comparing to the original Switch. Is very, very slim. I like the feel of it. I like the feel. Let me see. I got average size hands. I like the buttons. This feels premium. The buttons got a nice click to it. Feels very good. And to release it is pretty easy. You got these triggers right here. Boom, take it off. I prefer this than the small button that you have to force on the original Switch. But anyway, right off the jump, it looks pretty good. I like the way it feels. Um, it could have been more. It could have been more. But anyhow, right off the jump, let me see if it have any juice. Hold on to the button. Oh, I got some juice. All right. So let me just go ahead right here. Lay this bad boy down. I'm impressed with it. I like the way I like what I see so far. So let me just go ahead and set this up and just call it a day. Alright, I just set up the Nintendo Switch 2 and I'm gonna be honest, it is so easy to set up, it's crazy. I saw some videos from people complaining that it takes up time, and stop your foolishness, just cut it out. It is very simple to set up and it is very fast. I'm so impressed with it. And then some people complain about the screen. Oh, I wish it was OLED and blah blah blah. Y'all just stop it. Stop it. Y'all being ridiculous. The screen on this thing is doggone beautiful. To me, it kind of reminds me of the Nintendo Switch OLED that I have, but it just looks a little bit more. It looks more polished. And the icon, these little things right here, the game card for Resident Evil 4 looks good. The eShop that I visit looks good, and I would suggest. Somebody was talking about the controller about this thing, so they found issues with it. The reason why you may find issue with the controller because when you got it, you did not do an update. As it's right here, first thing I did update controller. I did the update already, and I don't find no fault with it. The mouse works pretty good, and everything is decent. I will connect it to my TV, and it looks fantastic. Oh, and this game right here, Resident Evil 4, used to be very hard to play on the original Nintendo Switch, and this looks doggone good on the Switch too. So what I'm going to show you real quick, okay, let me show you something. Even on an angle, it still looks good. It does not look washed out and everything. It is not as good as the PS Portal screen, but this is great. I love the size of it. It feels good in the hand. And let me just play on Resident Evil 4 a little bit. This thing looks doggone good. Everything is so polished. Oh my gosh, this is good. And the speaker on this thing is pretty loud. I like it very much. And this thing is quick. This thing is quick. So what I'm gonna do real quick, I'm gonna dock it on my gaming monitor so you can see what it looks like on the screen. Yeah, this is a 2K gaming monitor, and look how crisp that thing looks. Oh god, this looks very good, and the handle is pretty good on this thing. It looks very good. I like it. It's sharp, man. I'm impressed with this thing. I'm really impressed with this thing. It looks good. I don't have a reason why I don't hear the sound because I don't have a speaker connected to it, but from the looks right off the jump, that thing is just a boss. The graphics is so buttery smooth. I think it's because of the Nvidia DLSS, whatever it is, but this thing is so smooth. You don't see no pixelation or nothing. It's just perfectly smooth. Look at that. This is a doggone good system. I love it so much. So I ain't got not much to say, but first impressions, I like it. I'm gonna do some more videos. I got some accessories coming, so this is just a brief unboxing of the Nintendo Switch 2. It may not be the best video, but I'm working on my quality and my content. But anyhow, that's all I got for you guys. Check me out in the next videos that's coming up very soon. All right, thank you.